How to insert or embed YouTube video in Canva. To insert or embed a YouTube video in Canva, simply follow these steps. Firstly, open any web browser and go to the Canva website and make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Open an existing design or start a new one. So now, once you're inside the design, all you have to do is on the left hand menu, click on the Apps tab represented by a grid icon or simply labeled as Apps. Now, once you're inside the apps, simply scroll down and look for the embed option available there. If you don't find the embed option available there, simply tap on the search address bar at the top and type down embed and search for it. Then the option will be shown on your screen and simply tap on the embed. Once you tap on the embed, simply tap on the continue or start option available in the purple highlights. Now go to any YouTube video on your YouTube browser and paste the link of the video there. Now here tap on the share icon, copy the link of the video, go back to the Canva design. Now enter the link and start it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.